Hello, my name is Upayan Chatterjee. This is my DIY lab assignment 3. My roll number is 21CH10073 and my section is section 1. This is before dismantling the mouse. The mouse is in on state, as you can see. The mouse pointer is also moving as I am moving the mouse. It is working perfectly fine. I focus the pointer, you can see I am moving the mouse. The pointer moves too. Clicks are also working. There was only one screw beneath the battery which was opened by a screwdriver. Rest of the parts were mechanically attached, which could be removed with a bit of force. So this is what the wireless mouse looks from the inside. This went on top of this, and this on top of this. So these two are the left and right mouse buttons. This is the left mouse button, you can hear the click. This is the right mouse button, this is the middle mouse button. Scroll like this is an infrared emitter and this is a receiver. So these Logitech mouses use an optical encoder. This is an infrared transmitter and this is a receiver. And this, as you can see, the scroll wheel has a perforated disc built into it. Here you can see the perforations. So the IR goes through this to the receiver, and as it rotates it blocks some of it, and this corresponds the number of times it gets obstructed corresponds to the amount of scroll. And when this is pressed, so this protrudes down and hits this middle mouse button. Now this motherboard is actually glued to it. I tried to get it off, but it could break, so I did not take the risk. It is glued actually, so but the radio frequency module is just opposite to this. Like it is just below this, opposite to this infrared emitter. I searched it on the internet and found it, but I could not show it because I cannot open it. It is glued. And this is the Logitech unifying dongle. So I could not find a way to open it either, because this is completely a single piece. However, it also has an radio frequency transceiver. So this works on 2.4 GHz, which has decent range. This is where the battery goes, and this is the infrared laser. This is an invisible optic mouse, so it uses an infrared laser. This is the on-off switch, and that's all. So now I'm going to reassemble the mouse. So I put the dongle back and recheck the mouse after reassembly. I switch it on, and as you can see, Let me focus the pointer. You can see I am moving the mouse. So it is working perfectly fine.